Hi, I'm Ron Ananian. Some of you may know me from my radio show, The Car Doctor, or have seen me on TV in various settings. But what you may not know is that I am and always have been a working technician shop owner the last 30 years. I'm here today to show you the OTC Leak Tamer Plus EVAP 6521 and why this tool should be part of your essential tool list, if it's not already. The applications for this tool continue to grow all the time. Having the 6521 in your diagnostic arsenal helps ensure that you can confidently and correctly diagnose and repair any EVAP system problem you may face. And since it's easy to use and set up, everyone in the shop can learn its functions quickly without a huge learning curve. Remember, time is money. The quicker you fix the problem, the faster you can get paid and move on to the next vehicle. But if you can't diagnose it, you won't fix it. Let's get started. EVAP system problems and leaks are very common today. You may be surprised to know that at least 50% of the top 10 trouble codes reported by the California Bar can be diagnosed faster and more accurately with diagnostic smoke technology. And results around the country from 1-day to 10-day repair shops all point to the same conclusion. When you're faced with diagnosing the cause of those trouble codes, you want and need a tool that helps you find the problem so you can fix it. But when working on EVAP systems, you need more than just a smoke machine. You need the Leak Tamer Plus EVAP from OTC. OTC's Leak Tamer Plus EVAP is the tool of choice for those seeking the combined general leak detection capability and EVAP system testing capability. Both the OTC Leak Tamer and the OTC Leak Master incorporate patented technology using nitrogen to introduce an OEM-approved smoke compound with ultra-trace UV dye into the vehicle's EVAP system, which provides two means of revealing where leaks occur. Why nitrogen? Well, we all know how volatile gasoline vapors can be. Imagine the risk to your shop if you use an external air supply to introduce smoke. Imagine the damage or total destruction of your shop, your customers' vehicles, and worse, it puts at risk your employees, your patrons, and your safety. Nitrogen is a safe way of maintaining a non-combustible vapor space in EVAP systems, where your safety and the safety of your employees and your business are concerned. Don't be swayed by a cheaper tool that can't use nitrogen. Repairing vehicles today is not about how cheap, but about how fast, accurate, and confident you can be in the repair. Imagine being able to tell a customer that you are certain of the EVAP system problem you have found because the nitrogen proved there was a leak faster and more accurately than the smoke alone. Choose the safest tool. Choose the best tool. Choose the OTC Leak Tamer Plus EVAP or the OTC Leak Master. Remember, leak detection can be essential in speedy detection of leaking EGR valves, intake manifold gaskets, fuel injection seals, axle and pinion seals, climate control, and cabin leaks, as well as oil, wind, and water leaks. It can also detect exhaust leaks, vacuum leaks, and of course, EVAP system leaks. Let's see how easy it is to use the Leak Tamer leak detection system. Whether you're using nitrogen for fuel system and EVAP testing, or using your shop's air supply for general leak detection, with the Leak Tamer Plus EVAP, setup is quick and easy. In fact, you could be looking for leaks in less than a minute. Using Leak Tamer to carry smoke into the crankcase through the dipstick tube is a simple way to quickly detect oil leaks. Block off all engine exits, the PCV valve, and so forth. Then remove the oil fill cap and see how the crankcase and related areas will charge very quickly with diagnostic smoke. Replace the oil fill cap and look for smoke. If you see the smoke, you have a leak and a potential problem. Smoke coming out of an intake port like this one means you have a potential vacuum leak or a smoke leak internal inside the engine. Injecting smoke through a vacuum port like this one on the intake manifold can diagnose problems with MAP sensors, brake boosters, EGR valves, and other vacuum-operated components. Combining the leak detection capabilities of Leak Tamer Plus EVAP with your experience as a professional service technician will determine if seeing smoke equals a problem. Your Leak Tamer Plus EVAP comes with accessories that help you diagnose a wide variety of components and systems of your customers' vehicles. Smoke injected through the tailpipe can quickly reveal leaks in manifolds and gaskets, exhaust pipes, oxygen sensors, catalytic converters, mufflers, and connection flanges, gaskets, and seals. For vehicles with enhanced evac systems, using